Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a Meesho review and breaking down what it is, how it works, the good parts, and what to think about before using it. Meesho is an online marketplace and social commerce platform that lets people buy and sell products through social networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and messaging apps. It's especially popular for fashion, home accessories, beauty products, and everyday items, and is designed to make shopping and reselling easy without needing a traditional store. One of the biggest strengths of Meesho is how simple and accessible it is for both buyers and sellers. If you're a buyer, you can browse trending products, compare prices, and place orders directly in the app. If you're a seller or part of Meesho's reseller program, you can share product links with your friends, family, or audience, and earn a margin on every sale without holding inventory. This low-barrier reselling model is great for people who want to earn money from home without upfront stock costs. Another positive is that Meesho often offers competitive prices and deals, especially on clothing, accessories, and household items. Buyers can find budget-friendly products and discounts that make it appealing for everyday shopping. The app also has features like order tracking, secure payment options, and customer support that help users feel confident ordering online. That said, there are some drawbacks to keep in mind. One common concern is that product quality can vary because many sellers list items from different sources. Because of this, reviews and ratings are important to check before buying, and sometimes products may look different than they appear in pictures. This means quality control isn't always consistent across the marketplace. Shipping times can also be longer than with big marketplaces because many products ship directly from smaller suppliers and may take extra time to reach you, especially during peak seasons or holidays. Another thing to note is that as a reseller, you need to be good at promotion and communication if you want to earn regularly. Sharing links and convincing people to buy requires trust and consistency, so reselling on Meesho works best when you already have an audience or network that engages with your recommendations. So, who is Meesho best for? Meesho works well for budget-conscious buyers who want to find deals on fashion and daily goods. It's also a decent option for new resellers, micro-influencers, or anyone looking for a no-inventory way to start earning by sharing products with their circle. Overall, Meesho is a user-friendly marketplace and reselling platform with strong price deals and an easy way to start selling without inventory. Just be aware that product quality can vary and shipping times may be slow compared to bigger stores. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.